Let's paint something cute and fun. If you can't draw the number 2, you can draw the swan or even the whole swan family. At the head, repeat curve of the neck, sketch wings and body. Grab your pink paints and outline the drawing. Add a few feathers. And the beak. Place your swan on a little lake. Don't forget the eye to bring your swan to life. And that's it. One more cute and easy watercolor painting is ready.